Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo over a video. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the file that you want to use as the background video for your photo. Simply click on that file and click the Add button to add it to your canvas. Next, click on the plus button to upload the photo you want to use. Head over to the Photo section and click on the photo you want to incorporate into the video. After selecting your photo, click the Add button to upload it. Once the photo is added, you'll find an overlay tool at the bottom of your screen. Click on Overlay to use the photo as an overlay for the video. Then, click on Remove BG from the Tool section and select Auto Removal. This will automatically remove the background from your photo. Now you can resize the photo on your canvas. You can also extend the photo's length to match the video's duration if you want it visible throughout the video. And that's how you can easily add a photo over a video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.